Hey guys, welcome back to our channel utipz. Today we are going to discuss about the Certified Information Security Manager, also called as CISM certification. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about this certification, including how to prepare for it, how to apply, where to write the exam fee, exam duration, mode of exam, job opportunities and salary in the Indian IT field. First, we'll see what is CISM. CISM is a globally recognized certification for information security professionals who design, manage and oversee information security systems in an organization. CISM is offered by ISACA, a non-profit organization that provides IT governance, security and assurance professionals with the knowledge, tools and training to achieve excellence in their respective fields. How to prepare for CISM? To prepare for the CISM certification, you need to have at least 5 years of work experience in information security with at least 3 years of experience in information security management. You can also take an official training course offered by ISACA or a third-party provider. You can find a list of official training providers on ISACA's website. ISACA training course will cost around $895, approximately 73,000 in Indian rupees. The course includes video, narrated interactive e-learning modules, downloadable job aids, case study activities and a practice exam. How to apply and write the exam? To apply for the CISM exam, you need to register on ISACA's website and submit an application. Once your application is approved, you can schedule the exam at a designated testing center or take it online through ISACA's remote proctoring service. The exam fee for members is $575 and for non-members it's $760, approximately 62,000 in Indian rupees. Exam details. The CISM exam is a 4-hour exam consisting of 150 multiple choice questions. The exam is scored on a scale of 200 to 800 and you need to score 450 or higher to pass. The certificate is valid for 3 years. The exam covers 4 domains: information security governance, information risk management and compliance, information security program development and management, and information security incident management. Job opportunities and salary in Indian IT field. CISM certification holders are in high demand in the Indian IT field. With this certification, you can qualify for various job roles such as Information Security Manager, Security Consultant, Security Architect and Chief Information Security Officer, also called as CISO. The average salary for a CISM certified professional in India ranges from 15 lakhs to 45 lakhs per year, depending on the job role and work experience. The CISM certification is a valuable asset for information security professionals who want to advance their careers in the Indian IT field. With the right preparation, you can ace the CISM exam and open doors to lucrative job opportunities. Thank you for watching and we wish you all the best on your CISM certification journey. See you all in the next video.